So, good evening, everyone. Thank you so much for joining today's webinar. So, let me quickly introduce myself. This is Rohit Gupta from Codleo Consulting, and I am one of the solutions consultant working in Codleo Consulting. So, in today's webinar, we'll try to look at a very real problem. I know everyone can see my screen and can see the word written as insurance. So yes, see, a lot of customers has different issues related to insurance, and on the other hand, insurers are trying to cope up with the same and trying to resolve those issues for customers in a best possible manner. So we'll look at how Salesforce Agentforce can help bridging the gap between the insurers and the end customers who are actually facing certain problems or any problem kind of it. So we'll divide this whole webinar into two parts. One, we'll try to understand the perspective from the insurance industry. Then we'll look at the demo as well, how Salesforce Agentforce can actually help customers and can also help insurers to resolve customer issues or customer expectations and meet customer expectations as of now. So, first of all, there is a lot of things happening right now. So if we look at the current situation, a lot of changes are taking place from government bodies or regulatory bodies, and insurers has to cope up with the same as well. And every day, if any change is happening, any new regulation or any new prerequisite is being provided or mentioned by any regulatory body or maybe a government body, insurer has to be aligned with that. On the other hand, there are a lot of customers and everybody has different expectations, but customer has evolved over the time. They need a quicker solution, they need a faster solution, and they're expecting a very seamless way. Otherwise, you'll lose that customer. He or she might go to some other competition as well. So customers needs, customers expectations are also evolving. On the right hand side, you can see we have levers. We have a lot of customers who are driving themselves with the technology itself. They have already invested in the artificial intelligence, the AI, the buzzing word, and the automations, so that they can get on to hold of their customers and they can seamlessly interact with their customers, and customers can also seamlessly interact with them as well without any hustle or without any hassle. That's how insurers are also taking the shape, and they are also investing in AI as well. Plus, insurers are also trying to invest on the operational efficiency. There are a lot of queries, lot of uh, issues, lot of complaints, lot of repetitive tasks being taken into the consideration, and they're trying to reduce that workload on maybe their support agents, and they're trying to automate all those processes as well. So a lot of things are happening as of now in the insurance industry. Plus, as I talked about, customers are smart enough, customers are cautious to purchase anything. Uh, they are very, very sensitive. They are looking at each and everything. Plus, their expectations are also evolving over the time. They need everything everywhere, be it over their email, be it over their phone, be it over their WhatsApp, any communication channel, be it anything, be it your chatbot as well. Plus, you as an insurer need to be smart enough, and you need to be uh, careful enough that you are investing right in the right technology as well, be it your AI, be it your automations, be it your any digital platforms as well. Plus, you need to build trust and be transparent with your customer, and customer are also expecting the same thing from you, along with the new innovations, new skill sets, and new technology as well. So majorly what I have talked about is what all is happening in the insurance industry as of now. Customers' expectations has changed. Customers are smart enough. Plus, insurers has to cope up with the right set of expectations which customers have, and they need to help customers in a best possible way, whether through any communication channel, whether involving AI into their technology. Ultimate objective is to make a seamless experience for your customers. So now we'll try to dive deeper into the demonstration. So I'll be one of the policy holders. I might be having one of the insurance with one of the company, and see what all challenges I am facing as a customer and how I am getting the resolution. So I'll be covering multiple scenarios. You can ask questions, you can write down on the chat box as well. We can pick up those questions at the end as well once we are done with the demo. So let me quickly reshare my screen and help you how, as a policy holder, my resolution, my issues are getting solved. So if you look at my screen, customers are visiting on maybe WhatsApp, maybe on chatbot, maybe on email, maybe on phone. So we'll try to cover the email scenario, which is quick and very efficient for your, for anything if they're not able to reach out on call, how their complaints, how their issues are getting resolved through an email. So let me quickly draft an email and quickly send an email to one of the insurance company. I'll just quickly paste my query. For example, yes, I have one question. This is a very common query. Every customer knows their policy number, but somehow they are not able to find their policy document, or they might have lost it, or it is inside their home, but they are not able to find it ultimately. So my customer, one of or me as a customer is requesting for my policy document, where I have just entered my policy number and I'm just sending an email to the insurance company, and I have sent an email. So let's wait for a couple of seconds, maybe see how quickly I can get a reply from that specific insurance company. We'll look at what is the reply we get from that. So see, within few seconds, I have received an email that has picked up my name, picked up my information from the policy number, and given me the details as well, that this is my policy number, this was my sum insured, and my policy started on 25th of March and is ending next year. And it was for my car ultimately. And you can see that I will be receiving my copy of my policy document in the next email itself. So you can see here, I have received the document and I can download it, I can save it. This is a duplicate copy of my policy document. So very quickly, it is within few seconds, my query has been resolved. And this is a very basic issue. Personally, I have also faced it. I know my policy number, I have saved it on my Paytm, my cred, but I don't have the document handy. I need to see when my policy is getting renewed. So I've just simply wrote an email and I have received a reply from the Agentforce. This is not a human who is sitting behind and sending an email, finding my document. This is Salesforce Agentforce sitting behind and fetching the relevant document relevant information based on your policy number. I hope this makes sense. Now let's try to send one more email to maybe the same insurance company. I'll try to pick up one more scenario which can be more relatable uh, as well. Mm, 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 mm. Yes. So this scenario, I'm sure a lot of you must have faced it. There are certain set of hospitals defined uh, within specific radius or maybe nearby your locality as well. So simple, you're not able to locate the hospitals. Then you need to go onto their website, go to enter your PIN code, search for that particular link where you can find the hospitals, and then scroll it down. We have simplified the whole process. Just write down an email that you're looking for the nearby hospitals within this PIN code. So I'll just simply enter the subject line as finding hospitals near me, and I'll just send it to my support of my insurance company. And here is my PIN code, and I'm just sending it. So let's see how quickly my agent force or my support insurance company or my insurance company can help me with the resolution here. So do let us know if these issues in chat as well, if you are aligned with the same, and is it relatable? Because yes, I'm sure a lot of you, everyone must be having some or the other insurance with you. So see, I have received a reply that based on my PIN code, these are the nearby hospitals, and even I have the contact numbers available for those hospitals as well. So everything is very, very smooth rather than doing multiple steps, going onto the website or making a call. Simply you are writing an email with your PIN code that I need hospitals, and you are getting the resolution out of it. Very, very easy process. That's how you can reduce your workload, and you can be more efficient, and lot of repetitive tasks, lot of queries can be handled at an initial level with the help of Agentforce. Uh, be it any use case, we can build it for you, and you can have it readily available in front of you. So let's see one more use case. I'll try to cover as many use cases so that you get a good gist of it, how better it is, and how quickly his agent force is helping resolving your problems rather than a human sitting behind it. So let's pick up one more scenario here. This is a very generic inquiry where I want to inquire about roadside assistance. Let me quickly write it here. I or maybe let's pick up one scenario from here. Yeah. So I have written down one query that I'm looking for a new insurance policy, but there are certain terms which I'm not able to understand. What is a roadside assistant? What does it cover ultimately? So let me quickly send this email. Let's see how what is the reply that that insurance company gives behind it. But this is a very, very common query. You are purchasing any kind of insurance. There are a lot of terminologies. You either call them, you ask them, but instead of calling, you can simply request what is the meaning of this particular add-on or this particular assistance. So you can see I have got the answer that RSA in my insurance policy will provide me with these details. So if any of my vehicle is breaking down, so maybe I need a towing service, maybe I need a emergency fuel, or if I have lost the keys, or maybe I need a alternate transport as well. So we can read your information, all the information available based on your database. Everything can be pushed here to the customer, and your customer's query can be resolved very easily. There are n number of cases. Maybe somebody might be looking at claiming the looking at the no claim bonus, or availing the benefit of no claim bonus as well. Plus, what is the claim status? A lot of people are asking a lot of queries. What is my current claim status of my policy? They might have claimed it, whether it is accepted, whether it is rejected. So let's try that out as well. Maybe sending out an email to, we'll try to keep it here. Yes. What is my claim status? So I have given a very, very small request that please let me know the status of my claim for my policy. Policy number is this, and I'm just sending it here. So within few seconds, I'm expecting will receive a reply. Uh, and rather than logging in, rather than going onto the website or going onto the platform, simply you can write an email. There can be multiple ways Agentforce can support you on maybe your chatbot or email or your phone as well. But yes, we are showing you the email functionality, how quick it is, and how easier it is for your customers to request for any request over an email. So here you can see, thank you for reaching out. This is my claim number. This is my policy number, and claim is for my insurance of my car. And I intimated on 10th of March, and current status is still submitted, and it got last updated on 11th of March. And for any other questions, I can reach out to the support directly as well. So this is that's how you can define a lot of use cases. You can define what are your major concerns, where you want to deploy Agentforce in your industry, in your segment, and from where a lot of concerns, a lot of issues are coming, so that you can reduce your workload for your team. And with Salesforce Agentforce, your customers can get the resolution very, very fast. They're expecting more. Agentforce will deliver as per your expectations, 100%. So with that, we are open to Q&A. In case anybody has any question, feel free to write it down on chat. We are open to QA. Any questions, any thoughts? Any question will be good. Or if you are not from the same industry, uh, how we can support you with Agentforce, and how we can help you with best practices as well, how you can implement, what are the use cases, we can help you with that as well. So feel free to drop those questions as well here. uh, we'll be happy to answer it. So great. with that, I guess thank you so much everyone for joining this webinar. And looking forward, and Agentforce AI is the future. And yes, Salesforce Agentforce can help you reducing your workload plus setting your customer expectations in the right manner, and can help your uh, can help resolving your problems as an insurer, plus can seamlessly help your customers resolving their issues as well. With that, thank you so much everyone. Thank you all.